mDocs, Masterspec's manufacturer technical library, has been designed to make document access and document control fast, accurate, and simple for the construction industry. In this video, we will investigate how an office administrator manages the mDocs components for their practice. Before we get started, please note that to access administrator rights within Masterspec mDocs, you must hold an administrator account. Contact Masterspec for more information or speak to your internal Masterspec administrator. Get started by logging into Masterspec. Find Projects on the top navigation panel. You'll now see two headings related to mDocs administration functionality. First, Contract Appendix. You'll notice the titles Office Library and One-Off Use. Selecting Office Library will allow you to upload documents by selecting a file, adding a title, and description of use. Once you have selected Upload, the document will be available to your team to attach to their specification. This ensures your team always has the latest, up-to-date version of commonly shared documents in the place they need it, when they need it. If you as the office administrator updates or withdraws the document, your team will be notified against any instances where that document has been used in a project. It is then up to your team member to make the decision to continue or to remove the document from their specification before proceeding. One-Off Use provides you a list of all documents that have been uploaded to your practice's specifications. This helps you review the documents used by referring to the projects that they have been used on, previewing the document, or simply downloading. You can also update the title and description at any time. As an administrator, you can also withdraw the document from the practice library so it can no longer be referenced, but it will also leave a notification and the reason you assign to any appendix where this document has been referenced. mDocs Appendix also has several navigation menus. These include Uploaded by my org, Referenced by my org, and One-Off Use. These menus allow you to review, edit, or even withdraw outdated content that your practice could use in future or current specifications. The first menu, Uploaded to my org, allows you to see what documents have been actively referenced against work sections. The documents listed here are currently available for all your practice users to download with one click into any project. This refers to the projects that use that work section. You can even review the content either as preview or as a download and see statistics of use. You can also edit the document titles or descriptions displayed in future uses of the document. You'll also be able to note who has uploaded the document against which work section as well. As an administrator, you can remove outdated or unsatisfactory content from the mDocs library under the edit icon, and also note a comment advising why you withdrew it. All internal users see a warning sign against every current instance of the document, and the associated comment will display when they hover over the warning. The Referenced by my org menu lets you navigate and investigate all the instances of documents in mDocs by date. Simply click to expand the detail. This can help you track documents used in projects over time. Note here that the additional functionality to allow search by content title and date range to narrow the options. One-Off Use allows administrators to also review and search for content that any practice user has uploaded against any work section. That is, any document uploaded as a one-off instance against any work section. This is helpful if you know a specific document title and need to find the project it was used on and who uploaded it. The mDocs admin module is here to help you review and manage content that your practice is using to support your documentation set. The aim of mDocs is a tool to help you and the construction industry build quality documentation sets in a fast and efficient method. Please contact Masterspec for additional information or training opportunities.